Namaskar and hello to my dear parents and lovely students. I am here to share with you something about mathematics. Welcome to my channel, Be Mathaholic. Now, mathematics is the language which the entire universe speaks. So, as you know, maths is there and it's a part and parcel of your life. And millions of students are moving from class 10 to class 11th with a dilemma that what they should opt as their career option, whether maths as in the stream or without maths. So I'm going to talk about something about mathematics as your career option. आप क्या लेना पसंद करेंगे, साइंस के साथ मैथ्स, ह्यूमैनिटीज़ के साथ मैथ्स या कॉमर्स के साथ मैथ्स, एंड इवन दो यू डू नॉट लाइक इट, what should be your career options. But believe me, I am here just to tell you about why maths is beneficial and why and how you should love maths. Okay, so those who want to go with mathematics or those who are thinking of taking mathematics, they must be thinking, और बहुत से लोगों के दिमाग में ये रहता है कि if I take maths, will it be helpful for me in my career option? Will it be beneficial for me? Will I be able to do it? बहुत सारी बातें हैं जो हमको बहुत सा confusion create करती है. Okay, so मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि for some maths is a cakewalk, but for others it's a nightmare. But believe me, if you'll attempt some of the competitive exams, most of the competitive exams, they contain and they test your quantitative skills, they test your aptitude, they test your approach, and for that you must be having the quantitative approach in yourself. आप 10th तक surely maths पढ़ते हैं, but what if you want to go with 2 more years of mathematics? Surely I will say this will be advantages. Alright, so do not afraid of taking mathematics. Maths, love maths. Okay, and even though you do not love maths, please see that you developed a sort of logical and thinking ability in yourself, so that you will have a good approach of yourself in solving the competitive level exams. Okay, so इस वीडियो में मैं कहूँगी मेरे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो आपसे बात करना चाहेंगे, जो अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगे. Those students who have opted science maths, those who have opted for commerce maths, and those who have opted for humanities maths. Of course, and those who are pursuing their engineering also, how maths is beneficial for them. जिन्होंने कभी मैथ्स को एक बोझा नहीं समझा, जिन्होंने कभी मैथ्स को एक डर नहीं लिया, उन्होंने बहुत एंजॉय किया मैथमेटिक्स के साथ. सो बच्चों, मैथ्स से बिल्कुल डरना नहीं है, और आपको कैसे भी हो, अगर आप पसंद करते हैं या नहीं करते हैं, in both ways you should be loving maths. This is what I say because I love maths. I am a mathaholic, I must say this. So keep watching my video and just have a look at those videos and those views which will be helpful and which will be an eye opener for you. So here we go.
Hi everyone, I'm Udita Somani. I'm a student of class 12th batch 2019-20. I have been studying in Subodh Public School, Rambagh Crossing, Jaipur. I opted for commerce with maths. The main reason behind it was that I wanted to pursue economic honors at that time, and for economic honors, maths is a really very important subject to take the marks of maths in consideration. Secondly, if you are preparing for exams like IP MAT 2020, which is an exam of IIM Indore, which offers a 5-year integrated course of for BBA plus MBA. So over there, it's really very important to have maths because they have questions from the basic maths of class 11th and 12th. So higher maths, so like they use the basics and then they go to the higher stuff. Okay, and thirdly, if you're preparing for commerce colleges like Sri Ram, Loyola College, Chennai, St. Xavier's, Mumbai, there's a long list which will never end. So let me be very precise. If you have already opted for commerce and maths for the class 11 students, please don't change your subject. Okay, I know maths is a bit tough, but at the end, you will have its fruit. Okay, that's what we say, that how the longer you wait, the more sweeter the fruit is. Similarly, that's what the case over here is. You might think that maths is really very hard, but yes, at the end it will be very fruitful for you guys only. Maths has numerous things you can do with maths. Okay, So yes, that's all. Do opt for commerce with maths. Preferably, I'll say do opt for maths. Whatever subject you are going for, if you are going for commerce, do have maths, please, because commerce with maths has its own perks over here. Because I know, because if you are having commerce and maths, you are not going to be an event manager, right? So yes, you can go with that. And yes, maths also increases the mental aptitude. It sharpens your brain. So I preferably hope that this video was a bit fruitful for you guys. Okay, so all the best for your life, all the best for your goals, and all the best for the studies. I hope you guys achieve whatever you wish to, whatever you aspire to achieve, and stay safe, stay home. I guess, yeah. Bye bye.
Hi everyone, I'm Meher and I have recently appeared for my class 12 board exams. I am a resident of Chandigarh and I opted for humanities with maths. I chose maths purely on the basis of my interest for the subject, and humanities as a subject is a field consisting of all theoretical subjects, so I believe that maths would be a good stress buster, and I'm glad that it proved to be so. And but when I digged a bit deeper, there are other benefits to it too. Firstly, each and every entrance exam has a part of maths in it. Taking maths does not guarantee that you'll be able to clear the exam, but it does give you an edge over the others because you've been with the subject for a longer time. Secondly, there are fields like psychological experimental psychology where analytical, statistical, and quantitative skills are required, and studying maths does help in gaining them. Last but not the least, there are fields like economic honors where having studied maths is compulsory. So I believe maths may be terrorizing for some, but a little amount of consistency and extra effort and right guidance does help in scoring well. So I highly recommend taking maths as one of the subjects with humanities.
Hi, my name is Garima Singh. I am pursuing BTech in Computer Science from JP University of Vaknaghat. And I'm here to tell you why I opted for mathematics almost 4 years ago. I opted for it majorly because it had my keen interest. I always loved the thrill and satisfaction of coming to a solution after going through the hardships of solving a problem. Trust me, it's actually very satisfying and you should try it. Now, there's a reason why I think it's really important for people to have a good grip on it. And that's because in my case, I'm a CSE student and our whole life revolves around, solving questions that has logical aspect to it. And so it was really important for people to have a good grip on mathematics. We have to solve logical problems and turn them into programming languages. So it's really important to have that kind of hold on it. And that's why I think you guys should also opt for it. All the very best for your future. I hope you shine really bright.
Hi everyone, I am Ojasvi Avasthi and I'm pursuing my BTech from JP University, Vakmaghat, Solan. And today I'll be talking about why I opted for maths after my 10th standard. Well, to be very honest with you, I've always been very keenly interested in the world of mathematics. I've always been very, very interested in mathematics. And the reason for that is because I feel that every profession today uses maths some or the other way. I mean, trust me, if you're in a non-technical profession, you will be still using maths. For example, if you're working on an Excel sheet, you're actually working on rows and columns, which means you're doing nothing else but matrices. So, coming back to the topic of why I chose maths, I feel that maths is extremely important because it enhances your problem solving skills. Your logical reasoning is greatly enhanced if you solve maths. And the best part about maths is that there's no cramming required. If you're thorough with the concepts, you're clear with all the formulae, you have a basic understanding of what you're going to do, you will be, trust me, you'll be very easily able to sail through. It's not a difficult subject. It's mistaken for as a very difficult subject. But trust me, if you know, sit down and actually ponder over it over time, you will realize it's actually a very, very easy subject. and there's nothing else but formulae, basic understanding, and no cramming at all. We see so many apps today that are coming almost on a regular daily basis, and the coding behind that is done on concepts which are purely revolving around mathematics. So the creativity of mathematics, I believe, is endless. It's just endless. And that's exactly what was the reason for me to choose maths after my 10th standard, because there are many, many career options that arise out of choosing mathematics. And that was the reason for me to choose maths. So thank you so much. And I'd advise you to kindly think about it, think about your career as a mathematician, because I think it greatly helps for you in your logical reasoning, your problem solving skills, and so many other fields. Thank you so much. Thank you. And all the best for your career. Thank you.
The role of mathematics is very diverse, and it plays an important role in human understanding and cognition. The role of mathematics in computer science can be divided into several different parts. The first part is designing and analyzing algorithms. This is important because algorithms help solve complex problems in a fashion which is easy and simple. Analyzing algorithms tells us how much time is required and also helps us figure out where or what specific cases need to be focused on when developing an algorithm. The second role of mathematics and computer science is in generating a support structure for machine learning. Now, machine learning uses a lot of mathematics in form of calculus and statistics, as it is the basis of understanding and abstracting insights from data. Mathematics is also important because it helps us think in an abstract fashion. This helps us solve problems in a way which is generalized. Now, generalized problem solving enables users to use the same application or use the same structure in various different scenarios. Hence, I believe that mathematics is a very important and key player.
तो बच्चों, आप लोगों ने अभी देखा सारे बच्चों के व्यूज़ जो आपको एक तरह से हेल्पफुल रहेंगे कि मैथ्स के लिए हमारा कैरियर ऑप्शन क्या क्या हो सकता है और हमें मैथ्स से कितना फ़ायदा हो सकता है. ओके, so if your base is strong, which you have developed till your class 10th, so if your base is strong and you have a clear concept, then definitely you are going to shine, and maths is definitely going to help you. So keep watching my videos, as in my next set of videos I'm going to discuss about the career option with mathematics and without mathematics. So after 12th, what career options you are going to have, this is going to be discussed in my next set of videos. So be mathaholic, love maths, and enjoy my videos and learn, of course. So have easy learning, have a good day. Bye for now.